All right, good afternoon from sunny South Florida. This is for my friends in Hong Kong. TAPTES, I'm sure I'm not saying it right, but I've ordered a ton of paraphernalia from them for my Model 3. And today I'm going to put on I'm not even sure what you call it, but whatever it is, it protects the rims. Incredibly simple. Everything's already pre-cut. Literally going to take the protective tape off. I don't even need to take off the wheel covers that I have. And in probably less than 5 minutes, I will have everything done. This product from TAPTES, TAPTES, is without a doubt the least expensive of everything I've searched for on Amazon. Now, the only drawback is, to be honest, is that it does take a little bit of time to get from Hong Kong to the US. But you know the old saying, good things come to those who wait. And then I'm just going to cut it. And that is it. The inserts I have are black. They are nice enough to also send me some red. And you can see how easy this is. If my 12 and 13-year-old, my 13 and 14-year-old weren't so lazy, I'd have them do this. It's that easy.
It makes you sound lazy.
That you are lazy.
You guys are lazy.
That just makes you sound lazy.
Mom, why is that in your video?
Everything snaps in really nice, really easy. The hardest part is getting this lined up. And it's in there. All right, simple as that.